guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a vlog style cleaning routine, and this video is actually going to be a little bit different. It's going to be me cleaning all day long. I'm just going to be going around my house, cleaning as I go, cleaning as I notice something, cleaning after dinner. So pretty much straight up vlog style. And also this video is a collab with Brandy from Her Blissful Life. So I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself here.
Hello there everyone, my name is Brandy from Her Blissful Life. I am a stay-at-home mama of 3 and wife from Maryland, and I make content very similar to Mackenzie's. I would love it if after Mackenzie's video you came over to my channel and watched me clean my home with cleaning products that I have never used before. Mackenzie girl, thank you so much for doing this collab with me, and I hope to see you guys soon.
So yeah, you guys don't forget to check out her channel. She does a lot of similar videos to mine. So if you love my channel, I know you will love hers. So after you get done watching, make sure you head on over and watch her video. So the first thing we're gonna start off doing today is putting Alex's work clothes in the dryer because he had a massive load this weekend. Sorry about the noise. He had a massive load this weekend and we didn't get to do both loads. Well, it was separated in 2 loads. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open these blinds because I like it to be bright in my house. It makes it seem cleaner when you've got bright light in there. Okay guys, so there's been a change of plans. So this was supposed to be an all-day cleaning video, vlog style, but your girl fell asleep. It's my only day off, so I was really tired. I was like, I'm just gonna take me a nap. So I'm gonna show you guys after I cook, me cleaning up the kitchen and cleaning up the living room. This is just something I do every single night. Y'all have literally made the biggest mess ever cooking. I hope Alex doesn't watch this video. I know all y'all say that I'm always cleaning a clean house. Just look at this disaster I got going on. My house is a wreck right now, and you can hear the girls in the bathroom arguing. They're in the bath. This mess cannot wait until after dinner. I can't look at that. What are you doing? Did you sneak something? Did you sneak something?
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Okay, now that the kitchen's clean, I want to clean my living room before I head to bed, but this is my current situation. They're just chilling. How am I supposed to clean the living room like this? And truth be told, I'm just chilling too. I have been so lazy today. The only reason I clean my kitchen is because I cannot go to sleep with a messy kitchen, so I'm gonna clean this living room or straighten this living room. Yes.
Can I have my 2 snacks?
Hold on, please. I'm gonna straighten this living room, get the girls in bed, get my shower, and then I will be off of here. All right, now the girls are going to clean their rooms. Where are you going with my blanket? Well, they're going to clean their rooms while I clean the living room.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun